between drivers behind the line. Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
And reskate is underway as the bots move away from their starting position. They gain points. In autonomous mode, the first 15 seconds of the match, programmed by the human players to see the bots doing what they're doing right now. Coming out of autonomous, we have the Blue Alliance with 16 and the Red Alliance with 20. As we now have 2 minutes and 15 seconds of human interaction with the robots, deep diving at the coral reef, trying to build that reef up, placing the algae into the processor, into the barge. They've got a lot of ways to score. On the coral reef in the middle right there, you see them placing that coral, those white PVC pipe looking things. That's coral. Placing it up high on the fourth branch is worth 5 points right now as the human players are controlling the bots. And the Blue Alliance, the Red Alliance has some algae processed up in the barge level. There's another piece. It bounces off the barge and back down to the ocean floor to be processed once again. As 60-23, the disc bots placing that coral high atop the reef. They can get it on there. That's 5 more points for the Blue Alliance as it's now 56-50 in favor of the Red Alliance. Now the Blue Alliance takes the lead at 62-56 with 1 minute 15 seconds left to go in match number 1 here of what will be 59 total matches over the weekend. This is GRITS 2025 as we showcase the event that took place during the regular season in 2025. A lot of practice by most of these teams out there. They've got it down pat as they're building that coral reef, pulling that algae off and processing it. At 63-40 now they have it, placing it high atop the reef for another 5 points. It's 83-81 as it's neck and neck as we're down to 35 seconds left to go as the Blue Alliance leads now with 86-83 at 30 seconds left to go. Now it's 90-90 all tied up, but the Red Alliance moves ahead at 95 with 25 seconds left to go. That's the end game with 20 seconds left to go. The bots can do a lot as 63-40. They've grabbed hold of one of those deep anchored cages. They're going to try to lift themselves off of the ocean floor. If they can do that, they can gain some extra points for their alliance. 67-05 now, 63-40 raises themselves off of the ocean floor. Raising themselves off of the ocean floor gains them 12 points underneath the barge. That's the end of qualifying match number 1. We'll see what the final score is when the fish are released onto the reef. You'll tell which alliance won by the color of the fish that are swimming around the reef when we find the final score. All right, let's see what color fish are going to swim on the reef. As we get on the major screen, we look and we see that it is and the fish are having a hard time swimming against the current, trying to get to the reef. And now we see it is the Red Alliance victorious in that match with a score of 122-105. And that is the high score for the match this weekend.